Video response for Terra the Pyro Ninja's Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends comeback. I'm with you. They should come back. This is what people need to do. Everyone needs to make a video response of the Steamless video. If you haven't, I will show you since I'm pretty sure no one watches my videos though, but I will show you.
Chocolate. I like chocolate. No. I love cheese. I missed that show. If you want it back, rate, subscribe, whatever you need to do.
That's basically it for the last 2 minutes of the video. So, make video responses and post them to Terra the Pyro Ninja's YouTube channel thing, whatever, yeah, channel.